wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best elastic no-tie shoelaces. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Kiss dangling strings and bows goodbye with a pair of ecocity lock system threaded through your sneakers or hiking boots. Once installed, they can be operated by everyone from young kids to the elderly, and the length can be cut to accommodate any foot size. They're made of a nice stretchy material with bell-shaped pieces on the ends. However, they don't come with any instructions. At number 9, these inmaker dress are made of waxed silicone and have the appearance of regular laces, so they won't detract from the polished look of your best wingtips. With a T-shaped stopper at either end, you'll never have to stoop to retighten again. They come in black or brown with 12 per package, but the size can't be adjusted. Coming in at number 8 on our list. You can't get much more goofy than the footmatters Curly, which certainly live up to their name and are rated highly for their funky style. Each is 6 inches coiled or 36 stretched out, and though they perhaps aren't the best for athletic purposes, they are fun. Kids can tighten them without help, and they come with a money-back satisfaction guarantee. However, the colors tend to be dull, not bright. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for elastic no-tie shoelaces, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, ideal for children still learning the basic motor skills required to put on and take off their own footwear. Cool oumers are made from waterproof and stain-resistant silicone and are available in a rainbow of cheery and playful colors, as well as black and white. They're made of a non-toxic material and work well for adults too, but they are difficult to remove once installed. Moving up our list to number 6. Ideal for running or walking at night, the Stout gear's reflective are a sturdy pair of cords embedded with light refracting material so that you'll be seen by passing vehicles. Unfortunately, the spring button that locks the tension in place is problematic for weak hands. These are designed to reduce pressure on the feet and are excellent for hiking boots. They're very affordable too. Halfway up our list at number 5. A set of extra stretchy homar silicone can be threaded through your footwear's eyelets in a number of ways. Crossed patterns, parallel straight lines, or a mix of both. Waterproof and durable, these will help save you time by turning any pair of kicks into easy slip-ons. They're available in a variety of colors, but they don't fit through small holes, so they can be difficult to install. At number 4, a vast improvement on the previous version, Hickies 2.0 are far easier to use and offer better flexibility. These stretchy rubber strands slide into the eyelets, and once pulled to the desired tightness, the ends simply click together. Each is 4.5 inches long and they contain no latex. However, they can snap over time. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, where silicone choices stand out, laceez kids boast a nylon and spandex construction that makes them look more like normal shoelaces. They're offered in a range of sizes, so you won't have to hope that they're either tight or loose enough. These sport bright red aglets and scrub clean with soap and water. Adult pairs are also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for elastic no-tie shoelaces, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, unlike some other models, the versatile polyester cords of the xpand system are 2 long strands that get threaded through each shoe and are then held in place by plastic locking anchors. They're flat instead of rounded, allowing them to blend in with your footwear. These can be installed in different ways and can withstand hot and cold weather. They're available in reflective styles too. And taking the top spot on our list, designed specifically for athletic shoes, lock laces are a reliable option, whether you're running a marathon or just chasing after the dog. The 2 long elastic cords can be threaded and cinched with 1 plastic anchor, so they're easily adjustable at a moment's notice. They minimize pressure points and they're one size fits all. These are rugged and water resistant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for elastic no-tie shoelaces, or simply click beneath this video.